The added value of our program lies in the combination of academic excellence and real-world engagement. Students don't just learn frameworks, they experiment, they build, they act. They develop both the analytical skills to understand complexity and the entrepreneurial mindset to transform it into opportunities. In short, we prepare them not only for a career, but for impact. We offer a progressive specialization. Students first explore and experiment with the different fields of management before gradually focusing on what excites them most. Along the way, they are encouraged to hybridize their knowledge within the school by crossing disciplines and beyond through numerous double degree opportunities. Our students develop 3 essential skill sets: critical thinking to make sense of complexity, collaboration to work effectively across cultures and disciplines, and entrepreneurial agility to turn ideas into action. They are not abstract skills, they are practiced, tested, and refined through real-world projects. Lyon is the ideal city to study management because it combines the best of both worlds, the dynamism of a major European hub and the quality of life of a human-scale city. This metropolis is home to major French companies and international organizations. It's entrepreneurial, cultural, affordable, and, yes, the food capital of France, a perfect place to focus on your studies while enjoying an inspiring environment. Entrepreneurial, excellence, life-changing.